I'm Sarah Taylor. What's going down? People always say what's up, so I'm gonna say what's down. I'm 15 years old. I am from Texas. I live in Texas. I am in Texas right now. This is a Texas wall, in case you were wondering. Bam, I'm always one step ahead of you. So I'm basically starting this YouTube channel for two reasons. Reason number one is for me, because I want to have these so in 5 years or 10 years or 20 years down the line, I can look back and watch these videos and see what I was like when I was a teenager and probably regret every decision I have ever made. But that's a risk I'm willing to take. Reason number two is the comfort zone. Basically, I'm really sick of living in mine and only doing normal things and not putting myself out there and meeting new people and trying new things. So this is my way of breaking out of the comfort zone. I'm really excited for this, and I'm really excited for life, and I hope you're really excited to break out of your comfort zone, and I hope you're really excited for your life. Thank you so much for watching. It was so great to see your beautiful face, and it's been too long. We need to chill, okay? We're gonna hang out. You can watch my journey, or you cannot watch it. I'm really excited because this is going to be adventure. Adventure's out there, guys. It just doesn't happen in your comfort zone.